Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha 4 in Hello Neighbor. First, you'll need to locate and download the specific Alpha 4 build. Make sure you're getting it from a trusted source to avoid any issues. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the prompts carefully to complete the installation process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, so take your time with each step. After installation, launch the game. You'll typically find an icon on your desktop or in your program files. Once in the game, take a moment to get comfortable with the controls. The main goal is to explore the neighbor's house, solve puzzles, and avoid detection. Remember, stealth is key to progressing through the game without being caught by the neighbor. As you explore, focus on key items. You'll need to find the red key to access the basement, which is a major part of the game. The wrench is also vital for interacting with certain environmental elements. Don't forget about the magnet gun. It's incredibly useful for grabbing items from a distance, helping you stay hidden and solve puzzles more efficiently. To succeed, observe the neighbor's movements and use distractions wisely. Throwing objects can create noise, drawing him away from your intended route. Mastering his patrol patterns will allow you to move through the house more effectively. Your ultimate goal is to reach the basement and uncover its secrets, completing the Alpha 4 experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.